Hey guys, come join me on another adventure on Reece's Life, and thank you for watching our video.
Nice drum. What's that? Alright. Good sized catfish. Nice catfish. Right on the break. Pretty fish.
Hey guys, and we are looking for my gear bag.
Okay. Let's do some exploration. Let's go this way, buddy. Let's see how far back we can go. Okay? Yeah, we're gonna do a little hiking. Hello?
There's a mallard duck. So it has this little stream, and then if you go back here, that is two trees, two trees. It doesn't look like a stream anymore.
Whoa. That's really cool.
I discovered something amazing right now.
Yeah, this is a whole new world for Reece.
It's a whole new world for me.
Pretty neat, isn't it?
Pond. There could be thousands of fish in
What do you see? Deer prints? Oh yeah, nice.
there. Dad, get up close to that.
Yeah.
Get up.
Point right to them.
Lean. I think this was better.
Yeah.
Look.
Cool. I like it. That's something you don't see every day, is a tree that big. Pretty cool.
Yeah, it's like the one from Tarzan.
Yeah. Remember that trip that we took early this year when it was still cold? When we were walking on this dirt path?
Yeah.
This is the other end of that dirt path. See, it's right here. So if we had walked for a long way, we'd ended up back at the bridge. Remember that day?
Oh yeah, in winter. Oh, there's a worm.
Nice worm find, Reece. Good job. But
This adventure thing just turned into a worm hunt.
nice. Here, right here. This is one of the big eddies in the river. Pretty neat. Yep. See, there's rapids, and this is a big return eddy. Big circling flow. Pretty neat, isn't it?
Hello.
Hello.
Make sure to tune in on my new YouTube channel so you won't miss any of our new videos. And if you like this one a lot, smash that like button. And if we get 1,000 likes on this video, we'll do a really big fish video. Hey guys, if you like what you saw, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any of our Reece's Life videos.